Imagine you're at a party, and you have a group of friends who all have their unique superpower. Now, imagine if one of them could read your mind, another could control any object with their thoughts, and a third could be in two places at once. That sounds like a pretty cool group, right? But what if I told you that technology is rapidly getting there? Let's break this down. With the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning, we're seeing the creation of powerful digital assistants known as AI agents. These are like virtual butlers, able to take care of your daily tasks with a high degree of efficiency. They can send reminders, make appointments, manage your finances, and even provide personalized recommendations for everything from where to eat to what book you should read next. But here's where it gets weird. In some workplaces, these AI assistants are becoming indispensable tools. They can sift through massive amounts of data, make predictions, and suggest strategies for businesses to adopt, and even automate repetitive tasks like responding to emails or scheduling meetings. This allows employees more time to focus on creative problem solving and decision making. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: privacy concerns. With AI assistants having access to so much of our personal information, there are valid concerns about how this data is being handled and used. Companies are working on developing secure and encrypted systems to ensure that users' data remains protected. But it's an ongoing challenge. So where do we go from here? Well, the potential for AI is staggering. In the not-too-distant future, AI agents could be taking care of our homes, providing instant medical diagnosis and treatment plans, or even assisting with space exploration missions. It's a brave new world that's just beginning to unfold. Would you trust an AI assistant with your daily tasks? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more tech breakdowns like this one, make sure to subscribe and check out our video on AI agents next.